Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the air filter on the Peugeot 206 1.6 Sport, and that lives here. So we need to remove this first and then we'll take it into the garage and change the air filter. Okay, in order to remove the air filter box from the car, we need to remove this hose here. It's just a squeeze on the yellow tabs and pull. Then we have to remove this hose down here, which is just moves out. That's that done. And then there's a Jubilee clip here, which I've already undone. So it just means you need to move it out of the way and pull it upwards. Now, it's easier if you now remove that. Put it to one side, and then you can remove the airbox. So we'll just leave that there, that Jubilee clip, and we'll go and change the air filter. So in order to get access to the air filter, we need to undo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, should be 6, but 1's missing from the person that last replaced the air filter. So let's just undo those quickly. Right, that's all the screws out, and so we just lift it off, and there in all its beauty is the old air filter. As you can see, I don't know how long this has been on the car, but it certainly needs replacing. I mean, it's not that bad, but I like to change these every 12 months. Sometimes you get a date on them, but not on this one. So let's get the new filter. So here's the new filter, as you can see. Whoops. And as you can see, the difference is marked. So it's dirtier than you originally think. You need something to compare it to. So let's go ahead and fit it. There's no debris in there at all, which you'd hope to see. So just pop it in. And then it's just a matter of tightening all the screws up again. I won't bore you with this. You can join me after I've tightened it all up. There's an actual slot here. This one looks as though it's been broken, but that is supposed to slide into this little bracket here, just to stabilise everything. So if we put that in first and try and locate it. Now I've got the Jubilee clip, of course. Attach the clip hose there. That's clicked into place, and then we have to slot in the other part. That's actually, this can be a bit of a pig to slot in to its bracket, which is down here. Excuse my head for a moment. That's got it. Now we can slide on the bottom hose. that into place. Now let's just do up the Jubilee clip, and that's job done. Now if you're new to cars and you've bought your first car and you want to save a little bit of money when it comes to service items, things like this should be a DIY, and they're fairly simple jobs, and they all follow the same theme really. You have to remove the airbox. Some are more difficult than others. Some have just got clips, as I said a few minutes ago, and you just undo the clips, lift the lid and take out the air filter and place a new one. This, I would say, is middle ground, where you have to remove a few things, a few hoses, etc., and to gain access to the box, take the box out and undo some screws and replace the filter. So I'd encourage anyone who's new to cars and having their first car to save themselves some money and do these jobs themselves. As I said, they're not too difficult. So I'll be doing some more videos on self-maintenance on cars in the coming months and years, so please stay tuned, please like and subscribe. It's all appreciated and it really helps the channel. So thanks for watching. There's more to come soon. Thank you.